Ya Ahlal Kitab, O people of the book, Ta'alaw, come ila kalimatin sawaim baynana wa baynakum, that we come to common terms as between us and you.
Good evening, all of you. Now, Mr. Ahmed Deedat, I have always heard about you, and my desire was always to talk with you, not in the state to argue or anything else. And I don't want to make excuses, because why, that's not the thing. I have heard you were talking about dominis. Now, I also want to say something about this, then I'm going over to my questions. There's one different thing. God has also His Spirit. Now, when I wanted to go to a Bible school, the Lord stopped me from going to CBI in Surrey Estate, Klipfontein Road. Now, Mr. Ahmed Deedat, I just want to get a clearance on this. Not to say that I am going against you. As I've already said, I'm not making excuses. Now, you have said that Jesus is not Muhammad, but Jesus is not, Moses is not talking about Jesus, but about Muhammad. Now, I believe that Mr. Deedat has also gone to Bible schools, etc., as you have said with your own mouth, of selling the sugar, etc., to the other missionaries, and how they teased you. I like that so, because why, it made me laugh, not for a joke, because it's the earnestness for your faith. Now, in Moses 18:18, as you have said, it's true, which you have said about that. I agree, but then there's points to go on. I have first taken Matthew 14:16, John 14:16, where Jesus has also said and has talked about someone to come. And I also believe that you say that this is the same, it's Muhammad. Right? Now I want you just to be patient. I'm going on scriptural, just to go with and to say why I believe that Muhammad was not Jesus, not to go against the Islamic faith, because that's Christianity, not to go against anyone's faith. And that's what I want to say. It says in Moses 18:18 that, as you say, that God will rise up someone likewise to the one called Moses. That's a fact, as you have said. But then it's revealed to that it was so. It says, you understand Afrikaans, Mr. Ahmed Deedat?
No, I don't.
I'll read it and I'll translate it to you. In Luke 7, dit lees in Afrikaans. As julle miskien hoor dat ek miskien verkeerderings luid of so, dan is julle reg om vir my reg te stel ensovoorts. Dit lees so,
Yeah.
nadat Jesus 'n wonderwerk gedoen het.
Just one thing, brother, before you go on, we would like you to put your question. We would like to be patient with you, not to feel that you are cut down. If you could put the question, then I can get you an answer. Right.
Okay. En vrees het almal aangegryp. Dit was agter Jesus 'n wonderwerk gedoen het. Die Jesus wat ek van praat nou. Terwyl hulle God verheerlik en sê, 'n groot profeet het onder ons opgestaan en God het sy volk besoek. Dit was nou die Israelitiese volk wat God daarvan praat. Nou daaromtrent is it so that not Jesus said also that he is the great prophet, but the people that was even Jewish people, but it was from another city called Nain. They said that a great prophet has risen amongst us.
Brother, could I ask you to put your question, because You have quoted Luke 7, where
Yeah.
you said that the people have said that God has raised up, that Jesus is a great prophet, and that he's probably the prophet referred to in 1818. Could you put your question, then we'll get an answer.
Okay.
If you would like time to put your question properly, then maybe somebody else can come up and ask a question in the meantime.
Okay.
Okay? Anybody else, please?